Hello everyone. This video features the knitting of a short-sleeved top by the Italian youth clothing brand J.B4. The cut of this top is very simple. Two rectangles are knitted, which have an elastic band from below and an elastic band from above. The neckline is a boat, the upper elastic ends at the shoulders and in the middle of the sleeves, which is a part of the rectangle. The sleeve elastic is knitted additionally. His loops are pulled up from the knitting. The whole construction can be knitted in the round, up to the armhole because the knit allows it. This knitting pattern is mesh and transparent. It is well structured and does not have any diagonal bending. It is easy to knit from 4 rows and 3 loops. The swatch is knitted with a thicker yarn than needed for a summer application to show the stitches better. The number of loops in the sample is a multiple of 3 plus 4 edge stitches. Let's start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. This is the main row. The loops are in groups of 3. According to the scheme, make 1 yarn over loop. Knit 3 stitches together with the second loop in front. Again. Make 1 yarn over loop. Knit 3 stitches together. The row ends with a yarn over loop. Row 2 is on the wrong side, purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 3 is on the right side. To restore the initial number of stitches, we pull up 1 additional stitch from each yarn over loop, except the first and the last. The row begins with slipping the loop of the first yarn over. The repeat pattern is: knit 1, pull up a loop from the yarn over stitch, slip 1. Again. Knit 1, pull up a loop from the yarn over stitch, slip 1. Row 4 is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. This laconic mesh knit with a symmetrical texture exemplifies that beauty is in simple things and is a perfect choice for summer. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.